Hi everyone, I'm Shubham. I'm a master teacher at Vedantu. We are discussing JEE Advanced 2020, Paper-2, Mathematics, and the question for this video is this. Let B be a non-zero real number. Suppose there is a function f whose domain is all real values and codomain is all real values is a differentiable function such that f of 0 is 1. If the derivative f prime of f satisfies this equation, f prime x is equal to f of x divided by b square plus x square for all real values of x, then which of the following statements is or are true? There are four options given. It is a multiple correct type question. The first two options are concerned about whether fx is increasing or decreasing respectively for b greater than 0, b less than 0. Third option and fourth option are related to f of x and f of minus x. Third option says f of x multiplied by f of minus x equal to 1 for all real values of x. Fourth option says f of x minus f of minus x equal to 0 for all real values of x. And we need to tell which of these four options is or are true. So let's solve it. Here f prime x is equal to f of x divided by b square plus x square. This f prime x I may also write as df by dx, where f is f of x. So upon cross multiplication I get, and now upon integrating both sides I would get ln of mod f or fx is equal to 1 by b tan inverse x by b plus arbitrary constancy. Now since f of 0 is 1, as you put x to be 0, f of 0 becomes 1 and ln 1 is 0 and tan inverse 0 is also 0. So that essentially means this arbitrary constant is 0. Now f of x is equal to e to the power 1 by b tan inverse x by b. Now you may say mod of f of x should be equal to e to the power 1 by b tan inverse x by b. Then how have I written it directly so? We can say that why? Because f of 0 is 1 and not minus 1. So f of x equal to e to the power 1 by b tan inverse x by b is correct and not minus e to the power 1 by b tan inverse x by b. Now you may also say, what if for some values of x, f of x is e to the power 1 by b tan inverse x by b, and for some other values of x, what if fx is minus e to the power 1 by b tan inverse x by b? That's also not possible because f of x is differentiable function and hence also continuous. Because if you consider f of x to be plus e to the power for some x and minus e to the power for some x, then there will be discontinuity at some x for sure, because the value will change from negative to positive or positive to negative over some x, and hence there will be discontinuity, but it is not possible. Why? Because f of x is differentiable, hence continuous. Now let's explore the options. A option says if b is greater than 0, then f is an increasing function. Indeed. Why? Because as x increases, tan inverse x by b would also increase, so would 1 by b tan inverse x by b, and so would e to the power 1 by b tan inverse x by b. So that essentially means A is correct. Now if b is less than 0, then f is a decreasing function. Let's explore. Say b is less than 0. Let's say b is minus alpha, where alpha is greater than 0. So what would that mean? That would mean f of x becomes e to the power 1 by minus alpha tan inverse x by minus alpha. And we know tan inverse of minus x is minus tan inverse x. So same, tan inverse of minus x by alpha is minus tan inverse x by alpha. So minus and minus cancels out and we get the same expression e to the power 1 by alpha tan inverse x by alpha. where alpha is positive. So it essentially means even if b is negative, f of x remains to be increasing. So this b option is wrong. Now let's explore the c and d options, which involves f of minus x. F of minus x is equal to e to the power 1 by b tan inverse of x by b, minus x by b. So this essentially becomes, as we have already seen, tan inverse of minus x is minus tan inverse x. So it basically becomes e to the power minus 1 by b tan inverse x by b. Basically, it is reciprocal of f of x clearly. Yeah. So I can say f of x multiplied by f of minus x would be 1 for every x. And in the same way, I can say f of x minus f of minus x is not 0 compulsorily for all x. Is not 0 for every x belong to real. So that essentially means C is correct, D is wrong. So that means options A and C are correct answers. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned for the next question.